Hey, it's Masha from Unfiltered Adoption Talk, and I'm here to deliver your number 6 of 11 ways to connect with your adopted child. So if you still have not downloaded your free guide, go ahead and do that down below. It is free for you. And number 6 on the list, no particular order, but it is genuine acceptance. And let me just tell you what that really means from an adoptee's point of view. Okay, there's acceptance and there's genuine acceptance, right? We all want to be accepted as humans. We all want to be fit in and be part of something and accepted as we are, right? Well, most of the time, adopted child has felt their whole life that they are not accepted, that there is something missing. And there is, right? Because they were separated from their mother and now they're in this new family. Regardless if they were adopted at birth, 11, I was adopted at 11, even 18, who gives a shit, right? Whoops. Shit falling over. Genuine acceptance, like we can all feel when we are genuinely accepted, right? I'm sure you have come across somebody who comes off as accepting, but it's not genuine. They just do it just to do it because they feel like it's an obligation for them to say, oh yeah, I accept that. Oh yeah, like that's, yeah. Genuine acceptance, let me just tell you what that really means. It means that you accept that child as they are, wherever they came from, the traumas that they have, and believe me, they have traumas unless they have healed and you have helped them heal. Therapy is not healing, okay? Therapy is just talk therapy, talk it out, reinforce, blah, 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 blah. Okay, different topic. Genuine acceptance, you're accepting where they came from, who they are, where they've been, how they feel, without trying to impose your views onto them and how they should feel, okay? Accepting that the way that they are, their behavior, even if you don't like it, is part of them, okay? Because if you reject one part of them, you reject all of them. That is the truth of it. So how can you genuinely accept your adopted child? Well, you gotta accept yourself, because if you don't accept yourself, you will not accept anyone outside of yourself, regardless if it's an adopted child or if it's a friend. Okay, so once you can accept yourself, you accept the child, and then you're able to love them as they are. And I know that adoptive parents, they want to love their adopted kids, but a lot of times they don't know how, okay? It is different than loving your biological kid. Yes, we all love, right? But the way we show love, the way we genuinely accept our biological kids, I have a 7-year-old daughter, and adopted kids, I'm adopted. So I know from both standpoints that it is different, okay? The way that you would express genuine acceptance to an adopted child is not the same as your biological child. You would not accept the fact that, oh, I know that you have learned this behavior from the past in order to protect yourself because you have been separated from your birth mother. A lot of adoptive parents will not say that because it makes them feel bad. Oh, it makes me feel like I'm not the parent. Oh, take yourself out of the picture and focus on the child, okay? It's not about you. I'm sorry, but it's not. Okay, you chose to adopt this child. You're choosing to love this child. So really choose to genuinely accept this child. And the only way you can do that is by accepting yourself. It's not that hard, okay? And if you want more help with that, that's what my one-on-one mentorship program is for. So feel free to reach out for that if you are in alignment with that, if that is the road that you would like to take. And yeah, we will chat more. I hope you enjoyed this number 6, genuine acceptance. And if you have any questions, concerns, comments, comment them down down below, and I'll dive deeper. And I'm really excited to see what y'all are feeling, thinking, and yeah, so let's figure this shit out together.